birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. How come you guys are not singing?
Happy birthday.
to me. Happy birthday to me. May the Lord bless you. Achoo! May the Lord bless you. May the Lord bless me. Happy birthday to me. Yeah! Oh, thank you. I like my birthday present.
Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Make a wish. Did you make a wish?
Not yet.
No.
Make a wish
I wish
first.
it was a phone.
That's a big phone.
I'm not gonna finish this Oreo.
Okay, now you can open your gift.
Okay, maybe some tea.
I don't want to ruin the wrapping. Okay, you want to help me?
Can I help you?
Sorry.
Can I?
Okay.
What if I ruin the wrapping?
I'm doing it.
Okay. Wait, look what it says on the top.
It's a... Wait, what is this?
It's double wrap. It's a
Computer.
multi-paper line.
No, it's not.
It's a printer.
What is it? Open it! What is it? Why is there another thing? You wasted paper. Okay, well this
Doesn't like it's a printer.
No, put it down here.
Why would you need a printer?
I don't know.
It's like a printer box. I'm like, it's a printer. It's
Why is it in this
another box.
package? It's in a package.
It's gonna get smaller and smaller.
Oh!
No.
I love presents like these. See, it's gonna get smaller. It got big and it's getting smaller. Your dad just wanted you to think it's big. It's gonna get smaller. There's a lot of boxes.
I'm supposed to do
What's that?
What is it?
Happy birthday. Happy
What?
birthday.
What?
Happy birthday. Oh my god, I think I know what it is.
Oh!
Square. Oh!
What do you think it is?
Square.
Oh, it's a box!
I told you I knew it's a box.
How do you know it's a box, Shanice?